NASA has announced that the Boeing Starliner and its crew are set to return to Earth from the International Space Station ISS as early as Saturday, June 22nd, in a blog post from the Kennedy Space Center KSC. NASA stated, "The extra time allows the team to complete departure planning and operations, while the spacecraft remains free for crew emergency return scenarios within the flight rules." The Starliner's test mission, which included astronauts Butch, Wilmore and Suni Williams, was launched from KSC on June 5. During its journey to the ISS, helium leaks were discovered in the spacecraft's propulsion system. Earlier this week, NASA mentioned that its teams were still assessing the impact of the 5 small helium leaks on Wilmore and Williams' return to Earth. At that time, the space agency had planned the Starliner's return for Tuesday, June 18, citing weather and spacecraft readiness as factors. NASA engineers determined that the helium leaks should not affect the Starliner's return. The agency stated that the spacecraft had enough helium for the 70-hour free flight period required as part of its 7-hour journey back to Earth. Despite this, NASA announced on Friday that the Starliner, while docked at the space station, would fire 7 of its 8 aft-facing thrusters to evaluate thruster performance for the remainder of the mission. Steve Stick, NASA's Commercial Crew Program Manager, said, "We continue to understand Starliner's capabilities as we prepare for its long-term goal of performing a 6-month docked mission at the space station. The crew will conduct additional cargo operations, repeat some safe haven tests, and assess piloting using the forward window to better understand the vehicle's usability." Mark Noppy, Vice President of Boeing's Commercial Crew Program, added, "We have an incredible opportunity to spend more time at the station and conduct additional tests that provide invaluable data specific to our configuration." NASA plans to provide additional information about the Starliner's return during a media briefing on June 18. Following its departure from the ISS, the Starliner is expected to make a parachute and airbag-assisted landing in the southwestern United States.